hungry but short on time? Imagine having your favorite meals ready quickly and with a crispy, golden finish, all while saving on cooking time and effort. The Ninja Air Fryer is here to make that dream a delicious reality. In this review, we'll dive deep into this kitchen marvel, uncovering how it can transform your cooking experience, save time, and satisfy your cravings for perfectly cooked dishes. The Ninja Air Fryer is your culinary wingman, designed to cut cooking time without compromising on taste. It's a powerhouse that circulates hot air efficiently, ensuring even cooking and that desirable crispiness. The secret behind its magic is its intelligent processor, which offers a wide temperature range and adjusts fan speeds according to your chosen cooking method. This means you can whip up family-sized favorites, like 2 pounds of mouth-watering French fries, with minimal to no oil in its generous 4-quart ceramic-coated basket. Let's talk results because that's what matters most. The Ninja Air Fryer delivers on its promise. It reimagines cooking by producing crispy, delicious dishes while slashing fat content by up to 75% compared to traditional frying methods. Say goodbye to guilt and hello to healthier indulgence. The wide temperature range 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit offers versatility in moisture removal or rapid cooking and crisping, thanks to convection heat. Whether you're air frying, reheating, or dehydrating, this kitchen workhorse has you covered. The Ninja Air Fryer comes loaded with features for an unbeatable cooking experience. 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket, perfect for serving up 2 pounds of golden, crispy French fries or your favorite dishes. Dehydrate function. Create homemade, chip-like dehydrated snacks for guilt-free munching. The low fan speed and temperature ensure thorough dehydration. Dishwasher safe parts. Cleaning up is a breeze with the easy-to-clean basket and crisper plate. What's even more appetizing than the food it makes? The value you get with the Ninja Air Fryer. It not only saves you time but also money compared to eating out or using traditional cooking methods. Conclusion. In a world where time is a precious commodity, the Ninja Air Fryer emerges as the hero we need. It redefines cooking by making it faster, healthier, and more convenient. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a busy parent, this air fryer is your ticket to restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of your kitchen. Ready to transform your cooking game and savor crispy, delicious meals? Get the Ninja Air Fryer today and experience the future of cooking at home.